Alright guys, today is the 24th of July 2019. We just got back, picked up the trailer, the M105A2, I believe, yeah. The Silverado performed good, better than anything. It's the first time I towed anything with it, so it felt comfortable compared to the 5.3 liter V8. This is the trailer we picked up right now, so it's a little dirty. I was told it was retired about a year or 2 years ago. It does not mean it's, it's a little dirty and stuff. It's got a lot of junk. So we put these portable lights, temporarily magnetic. I don't see where the tag is. This is the M10205A1. It's an A1, so 1101A1. That's what the code is. Right here. That's where we are. Right there. So it is. I'm sorry. I'm completely talking about a different trailer. This is the M105A2. 1.5 ton. Use this to tow it. Lynette, I think it's called. It's got pine trees in it, pine cones and stuff, so I know it came from a warmer state. But I'm gonna back it up in the parking lot and follow up with the video. So, hi guys.